In this video, we present the CYANHemato 380 unboxing and installation. In the box, we find the user manual, the accessories box, and the CYANHemato 380 analyzer. The accessories box contains the waste carton box and container, the reagent inlets and caps, 4 interchangeable sample adapters, the power supply, a QR and barcode reader, 4 thermal printing paper rolls plus 1 already installed. Proceed with the installation of the analyzer and the accessories. Let's start with the suitable location. Choose a stable, horizontal and vibration-free surface. Ensure you have at least 50 cm open space around the device for air circulation. The surroundings should be dust-free and between 15 to 30 degrees. Avoid direct sunlight and keep the device out of the air conditioning flow. The humidity should be between 20 and 80%. Ensure at least 3 meters from electromagnetic radiation sources like radio receivers or centrifuges. A bad location can have a negative effect on the analyzer performance. Ensure the device is in off state before connecting the peripherals. Start by connecting the power supply. Ensure the power outlet used is grounded. Do not use power extension cables to avoid unstable current or accidental disconnection. To activate the reagents and facilitate data entry in the software, connect the QR and barcode reader as shown. Insert the USB end to one of the 4 USB sockets on the back panel. An external keyboard and mouse are optional. The USB-B port is useful when an external printer is used instead of the built-in printer. The Ethernet socket allows you to connect the analyzer to the local network. Connect the reagent inlets at the back of the analyzer. On the panel, each connector shows the reagent name and the color code. Make sure to match the corresponding tubes. Connect the diluent tubing to the transparent cap with a long internal tube. The lice as well as the cleaner tubing is connected to the blue cap reagent inlets. Waste is collected in a separate container. To install the waste, fold the carton box in which the transparent waste bag can be inserted. Connect the 2 tubes with red label to the transparent cap with the short outlets. Disposal of waste must be done in compliance with the locally applicable regulations. Keep the remaining tube with 3 inlets. It is necessary when preparing the analyzer for shipment. Switch on the analyzer. The startup takes 10 seconds. After this, the welcome screen is displayed. The main menu appears automatically shortly after. Initialize the barcode reader first. To do so, find chapter 4.3.5 in the user manual and scan the shown QR code. A few beeps can be heard, which indicates the barcode reader is ready for use. Nothing will appear on screen. Activating the reagents takes 3 steps. Scan the unique QR code on the label of the reagent bottle. Verify the lot and expiration date on screen. Press Accept to confirm. Proceed the same way for the cleaner reagent. Attention! The lice activation requires an additional step after the QR code scanning. On the lice bottle, you will find a special hardware key. This key contains the measurement credits. Without it, no analysis can be performed. After scanning the QR code and verifying the lot information, place the hardware key in the special left side port. Mind the direction. The black side faces the front. Press Accept on screen. The credits will be uploaded. Confirm the upload. The hardware key can be removed afterwards. It can only be used once. Now navigate to the Reagents menu by pressing the green or yellow bottle icon. Press Prime All to evacuate all air from the analyzer. Open the side door to watch out for possible leaks. At first use, perform a full self-test to ensure the analyzer is working within specifications and no connections came loose during transportation. To do so, navigate to Maintenance, Diagnostics, and press Self-Test. Change the mode until full appears in the header. Press Start. This procedure takes 1 minute. The result screen shows success when all parameters are within specifications. You are now ready to go. Customize and personalize the system to your needs. We made a special video on that.